how to make a Discord account mobile. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So I have downloaded the Discord application right here in my phone, and then after opening it up, we'll be redirected here. So in here, we can either register or log in. So if you already have an account, just simply log in and then just enter your details. But since for this video, we'll be focusing on how to make a Discord account. So I'll just click on register right here. And then after that, you can either sign up with your phone number or with your email. So for me, I'll just sign up with my email. So I'll just click on this email box right here and then just type in my email. There you go, at gmail.com. And then once you're done inputting your email, just simply click on next. And then after that, it will now ask you for your display name. So in here, you can also use emojis and special characters. So for me, I'll just type in a sample display name right here. I'll just type in helpful online. There you go. And then once you're done, just simply click on next. And then after that, it will now ask you for your username. So just type in your username right here that you want to use. For me, I'll just leave it like this. And then after that, just type in your password. And then there you go. So after typing in your password, what you want to do now is to just simply click on next. And then after that, it will now ask you to add your date of birth. So yeah, so just input your date of birth right here. So for example, I'll just make it around January 11, and then let's make it around 2003. There you go. Click on confirm. Then once you're done, just simply click on create an account. And after that, it will ask us to confirm if we are human. So just click on confirm. And then after that, just answer this CAPTCHA right here. So please click, hold and drag the butterfly to the flower. There you go. I'll just hold it. Then I'll just drag the image to the flower right there. Click on verify. And then there you go. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So it will ask you if you want to find your friends on Discord. So you can sync your contacts to find people you know on Discord. For me, I'll just skip it. There you go. Then after that, it will ask you help your friends find you. So you can enable to allow people to find you. But for me, I'll just skip it. And after that, it will ask you for a profile picture. So in here, you can upload your profile picture just by clicking on this plus icon, or you can use a Discord avatar. For me, I'll just choose a Discord avatar. So for example, I'll just choose this Discord avatar, click on next, and then there you go. We have now made our Discord account. So next, what we're going to do now is go to our profile right here. So just go click on you right here on the bottom right corner. And then after that, just simply click on the settings icon right here or the gear icon on the top right corner. And then after that, what you want to do is to just simply go to your account right here. So just click on account. And after that, it will ask us to verify our email. So it says right here, please check your email to verify your account and keep your current username. So just click on verify. There you go. So it says right there, verify your email. So what you want to do now is to just simply check your email in your application. So there you go. So after opening up your Gmail application right here, there will be an email right there that will say verify your email address for Discord. So just click on this. And then after that, what you want to do from here is to just simply click on verify email. And then just choose your application to open up on how you want to verify your email. For me, I'll just choose Safari. And then after that, we'll be redirected here. There you go. So after that, it says right there, email has now been verified. And then there you go. And after that, we can now open up Discord again. And then there you go. Once we refresh the account sections, you can see that there is now no option for us to verify our email because our email is now verified. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a Discord account mobile.